Take Jimmy online.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you?
I'm okay. Are you?
Are you PC?
Thank you. My name is James Omara, together with Lady J, and inside the studio I have Fred Walter Minyang.
Yes.
There is something not clear.
Mm.
And Minyang has said it's not clear. That we have the video, we have the audio, where party president of UPC saying, for those who trust me, for those who support me, believe in me, they should never give my vote to president. Keep my vote, don't give it to president. I don't know whether that is true.
It is 110% true.
110% true. And,
yes.
and now, according to the people we are talking to, they're saying, what do you mean by the president? You mean Mugisha Muntu, Bobby Wine? You mean Munyangwa?
No. Let us be very direct here.
Mm.
I am not on the ballot because of Yoweri Museveni.
Mm.
Nothing to do with the Mugisha Muntu, Bobby Wine, or whatever. It is Yoweri Museveni who has made sure I am not on the ballot. Now, I'm saying those of you who wanted to give me the vote, or who still want to give me the vote, you cannot give the vote to the same person who has refused me to be on the ballot for his own reasons.
Okay.
So my position is clear. If you're supporting Akena, and if you're supporting serious issues of development, this is the time where we must be very sober and committed to what we stand for.
Mm.
I'm not taking any half measure.
Okay.
This issue of saying you're going to give cattle 5 per family, you don't have the cattle in Uganda to do so. Why are you lying?
Mm.
This is something which we can cross-check, and this is something which we have been involved in. All the time when these meetings were supposed to take place between members of parliament and the president on cattle compensation, I was on the forefront. I asked to contribute, and they kept postponing. The next they say, oh, you people have agreed for this 5 months. Where are these animals coming from? There is no budget, there is no plan. So people want to be deceived for another 5 years for a loss which happened before James Omara was born. When were you born?
1988.
Yes. Now, this thing, most of the loss happened in 87. 87. We, at least for me, we lost our animals in 1987, August 13th. I know the date because they killed my grandfather. So, let us stop playing around with this issue. Let's be serious.
No.
Akena is serious. Akena has put himself there. Museveni has worked tooth and nail to stop Akena. Now, you want to give Museveni that same vote? You can't. At least if you say you're standing with me, you can't. You can't give Museveni. That is my position. Don't give Museveni the vote.